Okay. I need to chill out, man. Hey there. So this is a very much behind the scenes video. As you can see here, I'm backed all the way out. You have this unpainted wall, you have a table back here. I am in the midst of renovating or reorganizing my setup. Unscrewing tables and moving boxes and cables, and it's just a mess. But beyond all that, today is a special day because this arrived. This is my brand new 2019 iMac 5K, specced out, ready to go. This is going to be my workhorse for my creative work on YouTube and, you know, doing freelance. So I just wanted to share this moment with you, even though I'm not looking my best and this whole frame isn't looking that great. But it's still very exciting, and I wanted to thank you for all of your support, because at the end of the day I wouldn't have been able to get this without the help of you guys. So I'm just going to kind of get to it. I'm not going to say too much other than just unboxing it, and yeah, I'm just going to stop talking because I've been waiting for this for a week. And this will be the first, this video that you're watching right now, this will be the first video I've edited on this machine. Oh yeah, sorry about the audio, by the way. It's just not going to be the best because I didn't feel like setting up my whole desktop bullshit, you know? Y'all ready for this? Oh! Baby! I sound like Mort from Family Guy.
Oh God, an angry mob!
Oh, it's kinda heavy, okay. As you can see, I'm very strong. Very buff guy. I'm just that guy who's an asshole at like Planet Fitness. I'm the reason why there's that policy, the no judgment policy. As you can see. Y'all ready for this? Got a little pull tab action here. Oh, I'm looking spicy today. Here we go. Oh. Okay. We got the keyboard. I'm gonna put that aside here. Oh, Jesus Christ, okay. Tripping over cords here. Okay. Oh, this is not good. Okay. Oh, oh, you know, this is only $3 grand. Holy okay. Okay. Alright, okay. Okay, I totally didn't just my pants there at all, no. Not at all. Me. So with it out of the box, let's take the styrofoam off, shall we? Hello. Pull it from the side. Hello. Power cable. And no, don't ruin this moment for me. It's a sticker, man. God. Oh, there's more plastic. Oh boy. I totally this up. It was going to be so satisfying and I it up. Anticipation is killing me! That was so anticlimactic. Okay, let's, oh, me. I gotta get an adapter. Damn it. Okay. I need to chill out, man. I'm gonna plug this in here. Boop. We're gonna plug you in here. Boop. Did this move? How did this move? Did it move? Maybe it did. I don't know. Am I going insane? Who knows? No startup chime? What the hell? What is that? So we are going to pick the English setting. Actually, no, I'm gonna bring the camera closer here. Oh boy, you see, this is what happens when you just don't really give a shit. You just kinda, whoa. Scene change. I am so obnoxious today. You got it? Why doesn't, Herman, 5G, come on. Hello? Yup, I said skip. Look how patient I am. Dark mode, yes. Setting up your Mac. And here we are on the desktop. Oh boy, let's check the About This Mac page. Yes. So we got iMac 5K, 3.6 gigahertz Core i9, 8 gigs of RAM, Radeon Pro Vega 48. Hell yeah, son. So thank you for sitting through this very professional video of mine. It's the most professional I've done so far. I am in love with this machine. This is going to enable me to make better content for you guys. I'm going to start uploading in 4K because my Hackintosh just could not do that, and it was just, I wanted to pull my eyeballs out whenever I edited in 4K, but this can edit in 4K and more, and yeah, it's just an amazing tool. I'm about to bring it upstairs and put my setup back together because my room is just, it's just a mess. My whole house is torn up. Like, the whole side of my house where my room is just like, it's bad. But anyway, I gotta get to that. I gotta bring this upstairs without breaking it. That's why I got Apple Care, because this was only, you know, $3,200. But yeah, that's about it for today. I have some setup videos coming. I got more content coming very soon. I cannot wait to edit using this machine. And yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like. Please leave a like because, you know, engagement of any kind, likes, comments, subscriptions, it gets my videos to more people, and that's how the algorithm works, and I'd really appreciate it if you did all that. And yeah, as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.